What up, YouTube? I'm doing this quick video of 2010 Rookies and Stars longevity. It's 10 packs, 3 autographs, or memorabilia cards from Rookies and Stars. Just got it in the mail. It was cheap, and it was free shipping. So let's get this going. Alright, pack 1. Should be 3 hits. Got a Brett Favre base. Brett Favre. Alright, pack number 2. A Josh Freeman red, number 200. Supposed to get 3 hits in here. 10 packs. Rookie Devin McCourtney, Patriots. The rookie cards look like. Not numbered. Rookie of Sergio Kindle. All base. Got an Adrian Peterson, number to 50. Nice looking card. My first hit is a Ryan Matthews, Dress for Success, number 202 out of 249. Just a jersey card. It's the first hit. Base. I got one more pack after this. Another jersey card. Eric Decker from the Broncos. 103 out of 249. Dress for Success. And my last card, my last hit. Hopefully it's an auto. Oh. Got another freshman orientation, Eric Berry. Number 90 out of 249. Another jersey card. I guess I didn't get no autos. But it's all good. Well, that's it. That's about it. Peace out, YouTube.